Poncho! Kailangan talaga magaling ang iba.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why?
Hi guys, today's Saturday, April 4, and we're moving out of the house. With this bunch. Ay, mag-hi kayo sa vlog ko.
Hello.
Hi! Thank you sa pagtulong.
Wala yung malita bagay.
Wala kang ginabato eh.
Sino tumulong?
Actually, sinundo ko sila eh. Okay, like and share.
So, hindi dahil sa akin, wala sila.
YouTube channel ng ano ko.
Ah!
Ito, pinilit pa namin. Pinilit pa namin to.
Jero.
Si Jero.
Sa si
Next batalyon.
Sa Skastak niya.
Kong TV.
Sa Skastak niya. Skastak.
Kong TV. Subscribe.
Uy, 24 bars challenge naman.
Oh, dyan
24 bars
Sige
challenge.
na, sige na.
CR po yan.
Pre, sa YouTube. Nasa YouTube ka na, pre.
Boss one, si Boss one.
Uy, artista. Mamaya, nasa
Si
YouTube
Boss
na.
Juan. Siya ba si Boss Juan? Sino ka?
Sample yun.
Ako wala lang, ano lang ako, audience lang.
Manager yan, manager.
Timbucha.
Pre, nakata mga J-Ro ha, pre.
Ha?
Yo, dali.
Baka hindi natin makaka-right yan.
Skastak niya yung pinakamas.
Ayusin mo. Ha? Sige nga, si Bert.
Hindi, basta mo to eh. Mas organizo mo yun to eh.
Sige nga, sige nga.
Wala ka ba ako? Yan.
Sige, yan sino?
Ayan, si...
Si Kuya Kebs.
Yung nagka-COVID. Baka sa kwarto na siya niya, no?
Si Francisco Marcos.
Marwell, supporter po pala ako ng mga post mo.
Pinapakilala ko pala.
Nakalike na.
English pre, maraming ano yan pre.
Malapit na, malapit na.
Sabi English kay ano?
Lapit mo.
Oh, I love myself. Matindi si Roel. Hindi ko po alam guys na meron palang ano. Napaka-selfish naman ni Roel.
Bida-bida ko siya.
Heart.
May heart pinusuan mo.
Pre, baka may shoutout ka pre, nanonood na yung mga buong ano. May shoutout mo pre, si ano?
Siyempre.
Siyempre! Si Sarah.
Well, shout out na mga asawa.
Good.
Mga asawa.
Asawa ko pala, asawa.
Pre, shoutout mo yung ano mo pre.
Oh no! Bigla sinasabi.
Ay! Uy, ayun na may tao. Grabe! Andito na pala si ano, I love myself. Oh no! Ano mo alam? Oh my God! Yeah, Arsan na yun? Ano nga yun?
You like yourself.
Nakita ko
Pinusuan
yun.
mo, yung pinusuan mo kanina.
Pinasuwa ko. Yung post siya rin umuna ng pumuli.
Sino mo?
I love myself. Napaka-selfish mo ngayon. Matindi.
Tara na bago mag-close yung ano, green shed.
Kumain na muna kayo.
Ngayon na, sa next box.
Kita mo?
Hello sa vlog.
Hi!
Shoutout sa nanay ko sa paggawa sa akin.
Bye-bye! Sulat ka! Bye! Lakas mo konti. Thank you! Hi fans! Thank you!
Poncho! Kailangan talaga magaling ang iba.
Wow!
Fred, sama na kayo, Fred.
Anong ginawa mo, BJ?
Pagod, pizza tayo.
Ano, supervise?
Kapagod. Tara, pizza muna tayo.
The next day.
Hi guys! Today is April 2. It's already April. Wow! Look at that. So today is kind of some exciting news. We did something really desperate at the same time really fun. Did you have fun? It's like thrill. So I'm gonna tell you a bit of a short story about it.
In short, we've been driving for the last 14 hours.
Yes. It's fun. I actually enjoyed driving today. Nice man dahil mag-driving na daghang kagustuhan.
Back pa nga.
Just kidding. Anyway, today we're gonna go to our house and we're gonna put the things that would lock. I mean, some of the kitchenwares, utensils, plates. So we're gonna talk to you guys soon and we're gonna do some unboxing today. That's gonna be fun. I'm so excited. And what else? What else are we gonna do?
Take them upstairs.
Take them upstairs. Alright, we'll update you guys. See ya.
The fridge just fits. Very minimal clearance. Whew.
So we're here at the house, y'all! And you can see it's not empty anymore. And we've got our appliances here. We're so happy. I'm so happy to unbox and woo-hoo, look at that. Oh my god, I'm so excited to do a house tour with you guys. Ang siya. Sorry. Ang silang. Busy siya. Alright. Welcome to our house, guys! Anyway, we'll update you guys later. So we decided we're gonna do some unboxing for our sofa chairs because we want to try if it fits. It's actually quite big for our space and we don't know how we're gonna fit all the furnitures in here, but we'll see. Hopefully, I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, this will fit. But anyway, it's here, so it's gonna turn out beautiful still. So yeah, I hope you enjoy some unboxing of the big boxes. Yes, sir. Alright guys, we're gonna start unboxing. Enjoy! How are we going to do this? Hey. Now, the last bit, guys, is we're gonna connect the chase, which is this one. I hope you can still see that. So this is our sofa chair. Woo! Okay. Dili na ako. Air squat. Up. What the hell? What the hell was that? Nasira na agad? What was that? You like it?
Yes.
Hi! Juicy lang yapo na. Anyway, dito rin ako nga side kay... This is where the recliner is. We're gonna give it a go. Ano to bitaw? Nakulbaan ko. Ano to? What happened?
Yeah.
Naginay na siya. Oh my god. Hi! I hope this has a warranty. Alright. Okay. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna give it a try. Because I wanted to plug it in. Let's try this bit. Yes! Okay. Ooh! Ooh! Wow! Hey, damn! That's a beauty.
Babe, magnabira mo ginang wire, babe.
Oh no!
As in full leg yun. Na, sige. Excited much.
That means it works. Yes, sir. Okay, turn it off. I was thinking, we were thinking of getting that one. I would really love that one, but it's not gonna be ready until June, and it's coming from Vietnam, where their production is. So yeah, with the current COVID crisis, it's not gonna get here on time and not gonna get us ready for our house tour. So one thing that I really like about Australian, or I mean, like in general, the furniture is here. It's easy breezy to put together, and yeah, unlike the Philippines, I think we purchase it. It's already ready, and we just carry it and go straight into our house and our lounge or sofas. So yeah, here dali-dali naman siya naman giniwa. But anyway, that's it for the big box today, guys. I guess.
Sagad na siya dali.
Kaya wala pa siya katapos ang
Tapos ang table na is in here.
maganda.